Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to set up your environment to work with Google Gemini using Python. I will leave a URL in the video description to provide you with more information about Google Gemini. On this page you will find a lot of interesting content. I will also leave a URL for the Gemini chat. I will leave a URL for the Google AI Studio. Here we have a playground to interact with Gemini, where we can generate our API key that we will see shortly. And if this is your first experience using Python, I will provide a URL for the official Python website and another to configure Jupyter Notebook on your PC. So let's get started. First, we execute the pip install -q -u google generative AI. Then we import the Google Generative AI library. Import google.generative AI GenAI. Now it's necessary to configure the API key. GenAI configure API key. To do that, go to the Google AI Studio. Click on the Get API Key option. Then click on the Create API Key button. In the open pop-up, click on the Create API Key in New Project button. Alright, our API key has been generated. Let's copy it and paste it here. It's important to save your API key in a security place, okay? Do not send it to a public repository because someone with your API key could generate the billing for your account. Okay, execute. Okay. Okay. I wrote the wrong variable name. So to test our API key, let's list the available generated quantity models for use in our example. For n in GenAI list models. Okay. We will use Gemini Pro in our example. Let's create a variable to use our model. Sorry. Okay. Now let's get a simple response from Gemini. Okay, print response.txt. We can see the response for Gemini. Let's try another example. Response equals model. Tell me a funny story. Okay, print the response dot text. We can see a response from Gemini with a funny story. And that's it, guys. If this video was helpful for you, please like it to reach other people. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and enable notification to watch more videos on Gemini and the other technology. See you soon.